Okay, folks, we're towards the end of day 9 on the cabin build, and let me show you what they have done. They're actually, it's in the late evening, but they're going to keep working. They're going to go ahead and do the footers for the porch. What they have done today is they have floored with some real pretty poplar. They have floored the loft. And you will note that big cedar post is sticking up there. They're going to put the center beam for the set the rafters on top of that in the middle. Anyway, we actually decided to have them come on out, overhang it a little bit. Interesting look, and that's where they notched in each beam. So it's come together. Roof won't be for about another week. They're not going to get to it for about another week, but it's coming together nicely. They notched that cedar pole in there where it'll hold up the middle of the beam there. Anyway, stay tuned for more cabin videos.